Hey guys, just another tip. If you're trying to install new fans or want to just understand how the airflow works with the PC case fans, usually you'll find up on here you've got arrows at the top there. So regardless if they're these ones or the different ones, all the PC fans should have arrows on them. So they'll look like that, so it'll tell you which way the airflow is going to go. So if you're unsure how to mount it, if you want it to be an exhaust or an intake fan, all you got to do is follow those arrows at the top there, and that'll tell you which way the air is going to go if you mount it that way. So I've got it mounted like this. So with the fan that way, that's going to be an intake fan, so the air is going to go that way. And then if I have it as an exhaust fan, it'll be like that, so the air will go out that way. So what you want to set them up is you want to set them up as you'll have your intake at the front and the bottom. So you bring the cool air in from the bottom and the front, and then you have the exhaust air, so the air that's in there that's warm, you want it to go out the top and the back. So that's the ideal way to set up your fans. Make sure you use the arrows if you're unsure on which way to mount them. Then you're good to go. Thanks guys.